What is up, my incredible, amazing, epic, awesome YouTube friends? My name is B, P4S Detailing Studio. Here I am with a 2023 Hyundai Palisades to detail the inside and the outside, also known as interior and exterior. The vehicle has been all over. The customer brought their grandkids and kids pretty much everywhere. They've been to beaches, reservoirs and whatnot here in Utah. And then of course they've been to the mountains because the mountains are awesome in this part of the woods. And they have definitely got their usage out of the vehicle so far. And the inside is just definitely needs some love and attention. So let's get rolling. We'll get started on these wheels and tires, and they're not too bad. Fun fact, I don't think I've had a Hyundai Palisades in the garage before. I'll have to check, but I don't think I have. Carpeted wheel wells. I got a new pre-wash from 3D. It's called Orange Degreaser or something like that. Has pretty good reviews, and I just needed something a little bit stronger than what I was using. We'll see how it works on this. There's a ton of bugs on the grill, so this is a good test bed. The main reason I went on the hunt for a new pre-wash was because this time of year here in Utah, there are so many bugs. It is unseasonably hot and consistently unseasonably hot this year, and the bugs are out in full force. And with all the bugs, I wanted to find something just a little bit stronger to help get those off without a ton of work or a ton of risk of scratching the paint. Looks like we've got two new products. I've got Koch Chemie Auto Shampoo. I don't know how it's gonna foam up. Let's give it a test. Looking at the paint, feeling the paint as I was doing the hand wash, I actually don't have to physically decontaminate. We're just gonna one-step decontaminate with iron remover from Adams Polishes. With the paint all beautiful, and decontaminated, We're just now gonna protect it really quick, and it's going to just make this metallic paint kind of pop. It's gonna be cool. Before we get going on this interior, I had a buddy that got his car detailed, and he sent me pictures. The interior, it was almost insulting how little that detailer detailed. I do not like when somebody gives the industry a bad rap, because some of us work really hard. As previously described, there's a ton of dust in here, which is no shame because cars get dusty. Tornador is gonna have its work cut out for it. Thank heavens we have these huge mats, because the carpet was saved in some regard. Not totally, but it definitely helped. I noticed there's a bunch of, not a bunch, but there's sunblock on some of the leather seats, and then all the grooves definitely need to get blown out with that compressed air in the Tornador. It's gonna take some time. Normally, I would just use the Tornador and blow everything forward. However, this carpet doesn't seem to be as bad. I think it's an insert, so it's not as bad as normal back of seat or trunk carpet. So vacuum, and then we'll do Tornador. But up there, the Tornador it's gonna have to be a workhorse. The carpet, well, I should say the dust and the leather seats and all that did not disappoint. It took a little bit longer than I wanted it to for sure. Carpet cleaning, it's not gonna be that exciting because there's just dust and the mats protected the floor a lot. I want to start the interior detail cleaning the leather just because it needs deep cleaning. A lot of those little holes are plugged with, I'm assuming it's mud, hope it's mud. Steam cleaner's warming up for the vent louvers. Plastics really aren't too bad, but the leather is. If you've got kids and leather seats, you definitely are familiar with the white haze that gets on the leather because it's pretty common, at least in summertime. Let's go do plastics. Leather turned out really well. I'm going to use the microfiber applicating pad to apply the pearl on the seats. Somebody asked me the other day if you can apply pearl on the seats, and I've been doing it for years and it's worked out pretty good. So yes, you can. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail your Palisades. It turned out really great. I hope you love the results of the detail and this video. What a joy this transition has been. This transformation was amazing, and I really am pleased with the results. It was a ton of effort. I'm pretty wiped out, but it was worth it. See you in the next one.